Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automatically create checklists in ClickUp. This is an incredibly useful feature that saves you time by ensuring every new task you create already has a predefined checklist attached to it, perfect for maintaining consistency across your workflow. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to set up this automation. After logging in, you'll land on your main panel. Look for the option labeled Spaces and click on it. This will show you all the spaces you have in your workspace. From here, select the specific space where you want to apply this checklist automation. Clicking on it will open up that space's contents. Now, within that space, click on List. This takes you to the list view where you'll be managing your tasks. Before we set up the automation, we need to create a template first, so the system knows what checklist to apply automatically. To create this template, add a new task and name it template. This will serve as your master checklist blueprint. Once you've created the task, click on it to open the task details view. Inside the task, find the option labeled checklist and click on it. Now add your checklist items to this template task. These are the items that you want to appear automatically on every new task. Once you've finished adding all your checklist items, look at the top of the task window and click the three dots icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Template, then click Save as Template. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your template. Give it a clear name like Checklist Template so you can easily identify it later. After naming it, click Save Template to finalize it. Your template is now saved and ready to be used in automation. Next, at the top of your screen, locate and click the thunder icon. This icon represents the automation feature in ClickUp. Click on it, then select Create Automation from the options presented. In the automation setup screen, you'll see a trigger section. Make sure the trigger type is set to task or subtask. Then look at the drop-down menu directly under the trigger section and change it to task or subtask created. This tells ClickUp to activate the automation whenever a new task is made. Now move to the action section. This is where you define what happens when the trigger occurs. Click on the action field and choose Apply a Template from the available options. After selecting that, you'll be prompted to select a template. Click on the template selector and choose the checklist template we created earlier from the list. Once selected, click Use Template to confirm your choice. Finally, click the Create button to activate your automation. The automation is now live and will automatically apply your checklist template to every new task created in this list. To test it out, try adding a new task. Wait a moment for the automation to process. You should see that the checklist you defined in your template has been automatically added to the new task. This confirms that your automation is working perfectly and will now apply to all future tasks you create. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.